By 2025, the global health and wellness industry will eclipse multiple trillions of dollars, and Humana sits at its beating heart. Humana isn't just an insurer, it's a pioneer in proactive care and whole-person health. Imagine a career where you're helping people live healthier lives and doing it from your home office. That's the promise of a remote role at Humana. Working for Humana means joining a mission that's bigger than profits. You'll contribute to programs that help members manage chronic conditions, access preventive services, and improve well-being. This isn't busy work, it's work that changes lives. And because Humana is a Fortune 500 company, you get the stability, benefits, and growth pathways you'd expect from an industry leader. Humana's remote roles span 4 key areas: clinical and medical services. Registered nurses manage caseloads, pharmacists handle prior authorizations, and therapists deliver virtual counseling. You'll use your licensure and clinical judgment to guide members through complex care. Technology and data analytics. Software engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts build the digital tools and models that drive better health outcomes. Your code and your dashboards help Humana personalize care at scale. Member and customer support. Empathetic problem solvers serve as the front line, helping members navigate benefits, resolve billing questions, and access resources. Every interaction improves someone's experience with their health plan. Corporate and business operations. Finance, marketing, HR, and project management professionals ensure the organization runs smoothly. These behind-the-scenes roles enable Humana's mission to flourish. Let's look at 5 real openings and their pay ranges. Pharmacy Technician, IPU, 43K56 card. Value-Based Programs Analyst, 59K81 card. Bilingual Pharmacy Technician, $43 K56 quid. Pre-authorization RN Intern, 37K87 k. Manager Customer Success, 86 K109.90 card. Landing one of these roles starts with a tailored resume. Treat the job description as your blueprint. Mirror their keywords: value-based, member-focused, data-driven, and quantify achievements. Improved process accuracy by 20%. In your cover letter, weave in Humana's bold goal: improving community health by sharing how your project management skills can advance that mission. Next, network thoughtfully. Connect with current Humana employees on LinkedIn and request 15-minute virtual coffee chats. Ask about department challenges and daily routines. These informational interviews often lead to referrals, which dramatically boost your chances. Prepare for a mix of behavioral and situational interviews. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, to craft stories that showcase empathy, problem-solving, and adaptability. And always follow up within 24 hours with a personalized thank you note that references a specific topic from your conversation. A remote career at Humana is more than a job. It's a chance to be part of something that truly puts human care first. Ready to apply? Visit HireBasis to explore current Humana remote roles and start your journey toward a fulfilling, purpose-driven career today.